Did you know that coffee is the second most traded commodity in the world, right after oil? Yes, you heard it right. This humble little bean isn't just a wake-up call for millions, but a titan of global trade. It's a lifeline for economies, from the sprawling plantations of Brazil to the bustling coffee houses of Europe. What's more, coffee is also a social lubricant, a reason for friends to gather, for conversations to flow. It's the whispering muse of many a writer, and the fuel for countless overnight study sessions. But the influence of coffee doesn't stop there. It's woven into the fabric of our culture and our art. From the espresso-fueled paintings of the Impressionists to the coffee shop soundtracks that define the rhythm of city life, coffee is more than just a beverage. So next time you sip your coffee, remember, you're part of a global phenomenon. Ever wondered how your morning cup of coffee came to be? It all begins with a humble coffee plant grown under the perfect conditions of tropical climates. Once matured, these plants produce cherries, deep red in color, each containing 2 tiny green coffee beans. These cherries are handpicked with great care, ensuring only the ripest are selected. After picking, the beans are extracted using either a dry or a wet method, and then left to ferment, which gives the beans their distinct flavor. After fermentation, the beans are dried and sorted. They then embark on a journey to roasting factories around the world. Here, under the watchful eyes of skilled roasters, these green beans transform into the dark, aromatic beans we're all familiar with. This roasting process unlocks the flavors and aromas that make coffee so irresistible. From the plantation to the roaster, and finally to your cup, the journey of coffee beans is a tale of precision, care, and passion. Indeed, every cup of coffee has a story to tell. Coffee, your favorite wake-up call, might be doing more for your health than you think. This beloved beverage, chock full of aroma and flavor, is also brimming with health benefits that are as surprising as they are significant. Did you know that coffee is packed with powerful antioxidants? These microscopic warriors help protect your body from damage by free radicals, promoting overall health. But that's not all. Coffee also plays a significant role in boosting your mental and physical performance. A cup in the morning can sharpen your focus, increase your alertness, and even enhance your endurance during physical activities. One of the most impressive aspects of coffee, though, is its potential protective effects against certain diseases. Research suggests that regular coffee consumption may lower the risk of conditions like type 2 diabetes and Parkinson's disease. So, not only does coffee taste good, it might just be giving your health a boost too. Brewing coffee is not just an art, it's also a science. Just as a painter mixes colors and a musician harmonizes notes, a barista combines water and coffee to create a masterpiece. But it's not as simple as it sounds. Different brewing methods like French press, espresso, or cold brew each brings out unique flavors and aromas from the beans. Now let's talk science. The chemistry of coffee is complex. It's about extracting the right amount of flavor compounds from the beans. Too little, and your coffee is weak. Too much, and it's bitter. Temperature and time play crucial roles here. The perfect brew requires a balance, a delicate dance between art and science. And let's not forget the skill. Mastery in coffee making takes practice, precision, and a keen sense of taste. It's about understanding your beans, your water, your equipment, and how they all interact. Next time you brew your coffee, remember, it's not just a cup, it's an experience.